And new this morning, don't call it dirt, it's soil. Step foot on any farm and you'll see it. KTVO's Troy Moline went on to the road to see how experiments with soil are impacting heartland agriculture. Take a look.
Whether he's talking to people about it, driving a tractor over it, or up to his neck in it, Dr. Kelly Nelson has tops when it comes to soil.
Northeast Missouri is called the clay pan region. So we have a good layer of topsoil on top of a clay layer. The clay layer affects infiltration of water. So when it comes to, we usually get a lot of water early in the spring, late in the fall as well when we're trying to do field operations. So that can be challenging.
Since 2001, he's helped to research and perform a series of experiments in drainage and irrigation at the Greenlee Research Center, just outside of Novelty. Specifically, they are implementing water management techniques to study the effects of soil as it relates to corn and soybean crops.
We're doing a lot on water management for soils. Okay, we have a lot of experiments looking at cover crops and how they affect production in particular. But one of the main major focuses is looking at subsurface drip irrigation. So we're putting in a drip line below the soil surface so that we can supply water in an efficient manner back to the crop.
We can see, do the cost-benefit analysis on the drip tape and see if that's something that a grower wants to adapt. And maybe this will follow the same path and we'll see drip tape installed more fields in northeast Missouri.
There are numerous types of soil throughout the heartland, and researchers are doing what they can to help farmers no matter what kind of crops they grow.
There's some water quality issues we want to make sure that we're abiding by as well, and also maximizing our yield potential for corn and soybean.
Factors like drought, changing seasons, and contamination can impact how the soil is treated.
In terms of soil, it's all about managing your nutrients. So we want to make sure we provide adequate water to the crop, but at the same time, when we're providing that irrigation, is that we're not taking nutrients and putting them into the Mississippi River.
The study is ongoing, with the research team's primary points of focus being environmental sustainability and maximizing farmers' yields. In the meantime, you can expect to find Dr. Nelson toiling away, because any study that can make crops and profits grow is a welcome addition on any farm. Reporting just outside of Novelty, Troy Moline, KTVO News.
Now, this research has been in conjunction with the University of Missouri. You can check out some of the findings from Dr. Nelson and his colleagues for yourself. Just head on over to heartlandconnection.com and click on this story.